Ooh. Y'all know I don't fake reactions, right? So let's try FlavCity all-in-one protein smoothie. They sent me over their shaker, which doesn't have a ball in it, as well as this smoothie. This smoothie has 25 grams of protein and 10 grams of collagen. Now, FlavCity, let me find out this is Fountain of Youth all in a bag. Because if I start aging backwards, y'all just mind y'all business, okay? Now, let's do a taste test, and y'all know I'm going to give y'all my honest opinion. Now, I will have all the other ingredients and stuff listed in the caption below, so just read that while I go ahead and try to taste this. Now, you're supposed to add this to some milk or water, which I already have milk in here. As y'all can see, I have the milk already in here. So let's go ahead and open and see. Okay, y'all, let's get a scoop. Take a ride in my coupe and make me want to shoot. Shout out to Salt and Pepper. If you know, you know. Lord, I'm trying to make sure I can. Okay. I was trying to pour it in there where I can get it everywhere. Now, let's shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Shake, shake, shake. Alright. Let me make sure it's all shooken up. Did I say that right? Ooh. Okay. Now that I got it all shaken, not stirred, let's try this butter coffee. And I am a coffee girl, so let's see. Y'all, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh, it smells like coffee too. It smells like coffee. Oh, y'all, I'm scared. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3. I'm so nervous. Okay. Y'all, what if it's nasty? Oh my gosh, I gotta try it. Okay. Okay. Let's try it, y'all. Let's try it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Now, it does taste like coffee, but it tastes good, though. Kind of like, almost like ice cream. Hold on, let me get another little sip. Okay, FlavCity. I like this. I think y'all should try this. So if y'all looking for an all-in-one or some type of protein smoothie, y'all need to try FlavCity. This flavor is definitely good. Butter coffee. Yeah, it's really good. I need to take another sip. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, so y'all go ahead and try this and drop down in the comments and let me know if y'all already tried this or not. Bye.